Do you want to hide offensive comments on Instagram? You can hide specific words on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide offensive comments on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of the profile. A new screen will open with different options. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section and tap on Hidden Words. Again, a new screen will open. To hide offensive words in comments, add any words, emojis, or phrases you want to block in the box, separated by commas. Once added, tap on Add. Now, Instagram will automatically hide comments containing offensive terms or your custom keywords.